Question 25. The first thing you need to notice here, because there's a little star next to the 25, this is one of those questions where you're going to have to explain your working out to make sure you get all the marks. Jenny fills some empty flower pots completely with compost. There's a diagram showing you that it's a cylinder-shaped flower pot. We've got a circle at the top and the cylinder is 15 centimeters long. Each flower pot is the shape of a cylinder with a height of 15 centimeters and a radius of 6 centimeters. She has a 15-litre bag of compost. She fills up every flower pot completely. How many flower pots can she fill? And again, you must show your working out. So the first thing that's really important that we need to know for this, which you will not be given in your exam, is that we're dealing with circles and you need to know how to find the area of a circle. So what we need is the radius, because the area of a circle is pi multiplied by the radius squared. So we're given the radius is 6, so we can find our area by doing pi multiplied by 6 squared. So do that first on the calculator. You press find the pi button, which is down here. If you can't find the pi button, you could use 3.14, but it's easier to use the pi button. Multiplied by 6 squared. And the answer there is 113.097 centimeters squared. So once we now have the area of this circle, so to find the volume of the cylinder, we multiply that area by how long the cylinder is. So volume equals area multiplied by 15, which is 113.09 times 15. And that is 1696. That should be rounded enough for us. Centimeters cubed. Okay, we now have the volume of the cylinder. What we're going to have to work out is how many flower pots she can fill. It's always important to check what the question's asking to make sure you're doing it correctly. So, we need to also know that centimeters cubed is the same as milliliters. So if we have 1,696 centimeters cubed, that's the same as 1,696 milliliters. And she's given that we've got a 15-litre bag of compost. So if we need 15, if we have 15 litres, and each flower pot is 1,696 milliliters, that's 1.696 litres. So what we can do to find out how many she can fill is 15 divided by 1.696, which means she can fill 15 divided by 1.696 equals, this is there, 8.84. That's how many flower pots she can fill. However, since that's a 0.84, that flower pot isn't going to be completely filled, so she can actually fill 8 flower pots. So 8 flower pots. This time I'll be looking back to check, have I explained my working the whole way through, to make sure I get all the marks. I've explained that I'm finding area here. I've shown that I'm finding volume by doing area times 15. I've put a label. I've converted that into milliliters. Show it all on there. Then I've converted it into litres. We have 15 litres. So I've shown my dividing. And then I've explained that the answer is 8 full flower pots. So I should get the marks for that.